is the HW universe doing? I am WILLDOG, and welcome back to the reaction video. Today we're reacting to Bluey Gets Annoyed by a Loud Noise, Also Don't Let Bandit Cook by Bluey Pig Skits. And so we're reacting to this because in my stream last night, I told Bluey Pig Skits that I would react to his newest video, and he said good luck in putting it in the title, and I tried it out. It's only 75 characters, so ha 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 ha. By the way, if you hear anything in the background, just let you know I have an air conditioner and a fan going on over there, so it's good. You might hear some stuff, but I'm interested because it's been a little bit since I've watched Bluey Pig Skits. But anyway, you're here for the reaction, so let's get right into the action. Did I breathe once in that? Good intro. Good intro. Okay. Choke. I'm so used to it being a Peppa Pig trying to laugh challenge, so I don't really know what we're doing. Stop! Stop!
What do you reckon, Bingo? Rocket ship?
No thanks.
Princess?
Maybe.
Hello there.
Please.
Hello
turn the
there.
page.
Hello there.
That's old classic.
Keep turning.
Keep turning. What is that?
Okay.
That reminds me of the duck song.
Got any grapes? The man said,
Shut up!
Was that my mother?
Yes.
you remember my clown cake?
He was funny. This episode of Bluey is called Funny.
It's called. Holy shit! That's so many Legos.
Help you? Can I help you?
Don't laugh at him. Falling or doing anything on Legos is painful.
Aw, but the fun stuff's more fun.
Oh, I get it now. What do you get?
I'm not paying you $50 to clean up your mess.
I didn't ask.
I'm not paying you $50 to clean up your mess. Why not? Okay, 50. You won't do 50. All right. What about you give me your wallet and we'll go and we'll all be happy. Just give me whatever in your wallet and we'll be fine to go.
Oh, my no.
Because it shouldn't.
Speak.
Do.
You just do. Bluey Pig Skits, you real for that one, man. That was hilarious. What is happening?
I did my best.
I mean, I can see the resemblance. You got the bow tie.
Help make it, Bluey.
Bluey. He's trying to get that wallet, bro. That's it. Well, that was my reaction to Bluey Gets Annoyed by a Loud Noise, Also Don't Let Bandit Cook. That was a good video. I think the 2-minute videos are good. And I think, are you doing what, I think what would be maybe a good idea if you wanted to get more views? Might be. So you're making like these shorter videos, right? Of Bluey. Like 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. You could probably put them all into an 8-minute video for a Bluey Try Not to Laugh challenge. Like, that wouldn't be a bad idea. But yeah, so that was my reaction to that. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite parts of it were in the comments below, because I think my favorite part of the video was probably where the kid just laughed at the dad falling on Legos, and then the kid wanted a wallet for compensation. But yeah, that was a good video. I'm liking these Bluey YTPs. I really am. I don't know why, but it's a good refreshment from new content stuff. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all later. See ya. Stop the video.